हाय किड्स इस वीडियो में हम टेस्ट करेंगे कैपिटल लेटर्स ए बी सी डी ए टू जी. लेट्स लर्न कलर्स नेम लाइट ग्रीन, ब्लैक, स्काई ब्लू, पर्पल, ब्लू, येलो, ग्रीन, रेड, पिंक, ऑरेंज. Kids, this is letter A. A for apple. This is letter B. B for bat. Kids, this is letter C. C for car. Letter D. D for dolphin. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. I for ice cream. This is letter J. G for juice. This is letter K. K for kangaroo. Kids, this is letter L. L for lion. This is letter M. M for monkey. Kids, now we are tracing letter N. N for nest. O for orange. This is letter P. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for tiger. U for unicorn. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Let's read again. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z